Hey all. Uh, Welcome to a short week. Not only did you get Mondays off typically, but you get Friday off this week and next Monday off this week. So we basically have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to work through some stuff. Uh, so I just kind of wanted to set some expectations. Um, in general, the areas in yellow we've briefly talked about. And I want you to make an attempt to go through them. A lot of it's translation from linear to rotational in the sense of, do you know that when we're working with uh, like uh, rotational dynamics, right? That's torque equals inertia, rotational inertia times angular acceleration, which correlates with force equals mass times acceleration. With just a few videos that kind of introed that conceptually. You do have the book online if you want to check. I wanted to address a few things. I don't want to bury a lead. Okay, so first of all, I just sent out an email regarding the AP test. The email basically said you will get 1.0 weight for this class. That's it. There's no 0.667 or whatever 0.667 for anyone. All AP classes will be getting a 1.0 weight. That was directly from the LSR 7. So for those that are taking the test and might have, maybe been taking it just to get that extra 0.33, you and your parents need to talk to or contact Dr. Rossiter. I saw one email so far. Please copy me on that so I know. That kind of directs where we're going as a class as we finish up the semester. So, lead not buried. Congratulations, everyone just got a 1.0. Two, I wanted to talk about, I've been dealing with, my planning day was trying to get my other physics class to respond to me. I've got 20 students that aren't doing anything, and potentially is a Schoology issue. I'm not 100% sure. It doesn't seem to be showing up on their reminders. I don't know why I have to follow it up, so I spent a lot of time running through that. It wasn't fun. Basically, your assignment this week is to go through and attempt 8.5 through 8.7. And wanted to talk about the pros and cons also. Essentially, a lot of feedback is I have questions and I don't have any way to get them answered. I want you to know that I'm going to have, instead of like 9 to whatever, 11 office hours for all the science teachers, I am pretty much just going to have, where is that? I'm going to have my meeting up the whole time. Now, I'm going to be honest, I am not going to have the video on, and I am not going to have the microphone on. But what I'll hear when you chime in, okay, when you chime in is I will hear a lot, bloop, and you go, Miss Falkenberg, okay? And I'll turn my mic on, and I'll turn my camera on, and I want to be available for questions for you. I don't want you to feel like you're in the dark, and that means from 8 to 4, little lunch break, in there, I should be available for you. So please use me, okay? And if I'm not there, please send me an email and I will respond to you and say, ready for a conference? Okay, so none of this 9 to 11 stuff, I'm available to you, all right? So let me get back to this. Okay, so 1, you got a 1.0 weight. 2, please use that meeting. Listen, I'm an extrovert, and aside from my parents and my dog, that's all I get to talk to. Which, a little warning, if you do come in on a conference call, I might talk your ear off, okay? But I am ready. I'm ready. The lack of contact with you guys is hard enough. And I know the lack of contact as far as the class interactions that you have throughout the day with your friends, that's got to be hard too. So, use it. I want you to use it, okay? The last thing I'm going to do, so basically your assignment this week is to try 8.5 through 8.7. If you've got questions, let me know. I'm probably going to put a little survey out there, like a little Google form thing, and ask which questions you want me to make a video of. Okay? I'm not going to do them all, and I'm probably going to choose one from each section just to kind of guide you through it. Okay? Or to give you a little insight into how to attack them. Last thing I'm going to let you know, I'm going to create a separate video going over the AP test changes. Some might say, hey, actually this seems like something I could do. And I want to at least try to get that algebra physics class checked off from my college resume by doing well on the AP test. So I'm going to stop this video, upload it, do a little form, and then I'm going to do this next video on the changes to the AP to give you an overview of the website and what resources they've got for you. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.